The Osprey Proxima may look like just another student backpack, but can it double as a travel bag? After reviewing Nebula, Comet and Daylight carry-on, I'm putting this one through a real test: packing, comfort and water resistance. Let's start with the size of this backpack. Pay attention, because the Proxima 30 liters is big enough for work as a carry-on, yet compact enough for everyday use. And don't be fooled by the size. This backpack is very lightweight, and that's a key advantage. And the best way to understand a backpack is to pack it, so I'll show you how I fit everything I need for a week into the Proxima. 16-inch laptop slides right into the padded sleeve, and it feels protected. It doesn't mix with everything else in the bag. Moving on the main compartment, it offers more space than you expect in for a little pack. I keep my tablet in one sleeve and a notebook in another, so everything stays separate and accessible. I made in my clothes using packing cubes, which really simplify organization. They compress everything down, keep items separate, and maximize the backpack's capacity. This front compartment is bigger than it looks. I can drop in keys, a headphone case, my tech pouch, and even a GoPro with a tripod, all without running out of room. There's also a smaller pocket left, which I use for my passport and wallet. Now it's time to test the bottle pockets. I'm using a wider 32-ounce bottle on purpose, because slim bottles won't stay secure and are likely to fall out. On the other side, I'm placing a compact travel umbrella. These front webbing loops are really handy. I clipped my neck pillow with the carabiner, and just below there is even a spot for a blinker light. And the front compression straps, while they're marked for skateboard, I actually use them for a jacket. Super practical, easy to grab, and frees up room inside the bag. And even filled up, Proxima doesn't tip over. For travel, here's something important. You can't lock the laptop compartment. The lockable zippers are only on the main and front compartments. Next up, water resistance. A quick spray test and the bag soaked it right in. Not the best result, maybe 4 out of 10. If you care about rain protection, grab a rain cover. The backpack sits comfortably and doesn't wobble, while the AirScape panel keeps my bag cooler. Even fully loaded, the Proxima still feels easy to carry. The weight is balanced and the straps don't dig in. The big downside is the lack of luggage sleeve. For travel, it would make things much easier. Compared to the Nebula and the Comet. If the Nebula feels too bulky and the Comet feels too minimal, the Proxima sits right in the middle. It gives you enough organization without drowning you in pockets, and the perfect size for everyday use, whenever that's campus, the office, or even a trip. So, if you're looking for a light, do-it-all backpack, I think the Osprey Proxima is a solid $100 investment.